This is a little simplified compared to a real landfill. I've made a video all about French drains, which is much closer to what a leachate collection system consists of if you want to learn more after this. Obviously, in my example, the leachate collection system has to penetrate the bottom liner, which can be a potential source of leaks. So these penetrations are sealed really carefully in the real world, or the collection system just uses pumps and risers that run up the slope of the landfill to the top, so no penetration system is necessary. Of course, now you have a stream of leachate you have to deal with. Actually, leachate management is one of the biggest costs of running a facility like this. Some landfills send it off to a treatment plant that can clean it up. Some have ways to treat it on-site, with settling ponds, evaporation, biological treatment, and even plants that can consume and convert landfill leachate into waste that's easier to dispose of, maybe even back into the landfill itself. Finally, the bottom of our landfill has all the necessary pieces, but the work doesn't stop there. Remember that volume is everything in a landfill. For as much effort that goes into finding a location and building the infrastructure, it's essential that we get the most trash in here as possible. You probably know this, but municipal garbage just isn't that dense. Maybe you've had to smash a few more bags in the can because you missed the collection one week. If so, you know there's usually a lot of room for densification. The trucks that collect garbage usually have a way to compact it to make more room in the box before needing to be emptied. But once the trash is at the landfill, there's still an opportunity for compaction. Landfills often use massive roller compactors with enormous teeth and giant blades to grade out and compress waste and get as much as possible into the site. It saves money, and it's good stewardship of the space. But density isn't the only challenge with day-to-day operations.